Can a machine make high quality espresso like you're used to at home? Are you more of a pod person or are you more of a do-it-yourself kind of person? Well, today we're looking at two different coffee machine models and seeing just how well they stack up against one another. You see, real espresso has this thing that only true espresso lovers know. It's called crema, and it's that special top that only true espresso has. Now, Keurig has its own special Keurig pod machine that says it makes crema. Does it work as good as the Breville home espresso machine? We'll find out. Basically, you have a choice between easy, convenient, fast, but maybe a little less quality, and something that is a lot harder to learn, a bit more of a learning curve, but you can really dial in on that quality. The two machines function completely differently. So you have the Keurig Crema, and if you're familiar with any other Keurig machine, it's just like those. You pop a pot in, you make sure that there's water in the tank, you press a button, and voila, high quality espresso. It's got a powerful filtration system that gives you a little bit of that crema top that you're used to with your typical store-bought espresso. Now, the catch is, with the Keurig, it requires specific pods. If you're not used to pod coffee, then this isn't something that you can really dial in or customize. However, there are special pod filters, which we'll link below, which allow you to add your own coffee grounds. Dial it in exactly how you'd like and filter through. It's not the same experience as an espresso machine, but it's close. On the other hand, you have the Breville Barista Express Pro. This is a true home espresso machine. The catch is, if you're hoping to get homemade espresso easy, quick, this is not the machine for you. This requires a bit of a learning curve. You have to dial it in. You have to learn exactly what type of grind size you're going to have to make the best espresso, which for the record is about a 4 on a burr grinder. And then you have to make sure that you clean it, you tamp it, you go through the whole process of making an espresso. This is kind of like becoming your own barista at home. And that's one of the best parts about it. So it takes a lot more learning curve to get it dialed in correctly, but you have a lot more customization. And frankly, not being hindered by having to use the pods allows you to experiment with many more different kinds of beans. It's a lot more user-friendly once you get used to it, but again, the learning curve is a little tricky. Personally, I love the customizability of the Breville. The fact that any person can get in there and make espresso the way that they want to. You're not gonna make great espresso to start, but if you work at it every day, eventually you'll be able to make espresso the way you like it. But if you're looking for something more convenient, the Keurig Crema is ready to go with the push of a button, and it's gonna be a lot more consistent. I personally think it's a little less than what the Breville can deliver. That being said, if you don't wanna have to fuss in the morning, you care about having a little more of that accurate espresso taste from your coffee, and not just regular Keurig K-Pods, then the Keurig Crema is gonna be for you. So what makes the better espresso, truly? Well, it depends on what kind of espresso you want. Is the better espresso the one that has more customizability, that has the potential for higher quality, but a tougher learning curve? Then that's gonna be the Breville. But is the better espresso the one that's quick, that's consistent, and tastes like something you recognize? That's gonna be the Keurig Crema. Once again, I'm Branson from Best Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below and let us know which style of coffee you think is better. In the meantime, I'm going to enjoy the best espresso.